Good morning everyone. It is time for Get Ready With Me Monday. I want to make a glowy bronzed eye makeup look. So for this look I need to start with this shade. But unfortunately I hit pan on Tanacon. I will use my Laroc Sculpt and Glow palette for this look. Toasted almond is similar to Tanacon and it's closer to my skin tone. So let's warm up the creased area and slightly above with this color. Dyed root beer is one shade darker than toasted almond, so it's perfect for the crease. Move Me Jungle is a fun palette, lots of shimmer and tropical names. Tobago is the main color for this look. And I will apply this color all over my eyelid. With Fiji, I want to lighten up my brow bone. I'm sharpening up my eyebrow with my righties here. Hawaii is great for the cheekbone. And Venezuela is going into my teardrop. Eyeliner and mascara. I want to highlight my brow bone so it gives more of that glowy look. And there you have it, very easy and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye!